Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's vlog is about IKEA. We have finally found our accommodation, which is in downtown Toronto. So that's an unfurnished condo. So we need some basic furniture for our condo. So we are going to go to IKEA, and that's our first time in IKEA. So I'm quite excited about it. So let's see how it is, and I'll take you guys along with me. So huge. I mean, I have never ever seen such a big store for furniture. So we just have to buy a basic furniture like a bed, mattress, side table, then a table, small table, chair, and we'll see if we can buy a couch also. So there are too many options. I mean, it's so confusing. So finally, guys, we are back from IKEA shopping after spending 4 to 5 hours there. I would suggest you, if you're going there for the first time, please have some heavy breakfast or have something heavy for lunch and go, because it's going to be super tiring and you require a lot of energy to shop. So just to give you a brief idea, there are two counters. One is the checkout counter and the other one is the billing counter. So people who are going by their own vehicle, you can directly walk towards the billing counter, get all your products billed so that you can take them along with you on the same day. But for people like us who are going via public transportation, what we did was we clicked photos of all the items which we liked, and there's a product code mentioned on the product. So you take a photo so that that is also present in the picture. You take the picture and move towards the checkout counter. So the IKEA staff people are present at the checkout counter. So they asked us what products we wanted. We gave them the list, and then they prepared a bill which they sent to our email address. Also, they asked us the time and day of delivery. So along with that, there is a fee of $59 if you are out of the IKEA locality. So I don't know how they do it, but there are two separate delivery fee charges. One is $39 and one is 59. So I guess if you fall under a certain range, you have to pay 39, and if you're outside that range, you have to pay 59. So for us, it was $59. So yeah, after they sent us the bill and we moved towards the billing counter. At the billing counter, there are separate booths, so it's all self service. So there's a barcode scanner, by with the help of which we scan the barcode present in our PDF document, which is sent to our email address. We scan that and choose a mode of payment, and yeah, that's it. So I guess it looks a little complicated at the beginning, but it's not that. So the whole process is pretty much similar to what I said. I hope it helps everyone who's going to IKEA for the first time. And if you like this video, please hit the like button below and subscribe to my channel.